tonight's meal is going to be very, very simple. I am going to use broccoli that I steamed in the bag because this is that type of broccoli where you can cook it in the bag. So I figured I'd take them up on that shortcut. I'm going to make my chicken broccoli Alfredo. So I've got 1 can of Prego Classic Alfredo sauce. However, I don't believe it's going to be enough. And I went running around all day today trying to find another one, and none of the Dollar Trees had it. So I found this one at the 99-cent store, bacon flavored Alfredo. That makes me nervous. So I'm going to see how far I can get with this one. I might just make half a dish. I may taste this one to see if I like it. I'm not sure. When I see flavored stuff and not the real deal, it kind of makes me nervous. So, and then I have my Barilla Penne pasta from De Dollar Tre. And then I have my chicken that I cooked the night before. And I made all of that chicken vegetable stew. I cooked I cooked 2 turkey breasts. And after I cooked them in onions and celery and all that flavoring, I split it in half because I wanted to make this dish the next day, which is today. So I've got my water boiling over here, and I'm going to go ahead and put my noodles in there. And when they're done, this dish is going to come together really quickly. So this is an easy one tonight. All right, pasta's done. I boiled it for 12 minutes for al dente. The box said 11 minutes for true al dente, and if you want it, I guess, a little bit softer, then another minute. So that's what I did, 12 minutes. So now it's time to drain and add the rest of the ingredients. Keep just a little of the pasta water in here, just a little. Not gonna rinse it. So now basically we're just gonna dump everything in there. So I've got my chicken. Let's get everything ready to get dumped. Save that for last. Broccoli chunks are too big. I'm just going to cut it up with these scissors in the pot. So let's go to the dumpling. Okay. Here comes the broccoli. And the fire is off. Let me pull you back a little. Chicken. And stir this up a bit first. Ooh, that looks delicious. Now let's get the sauce in there. Why you leave a little bit of that pasta sauce so that this sauce can loosen up a bit and cover everything. I hope this 1 can is going to be enough. Ooh, I'm burning my hand. That looks good. Now I've never attempted to make an Alfredo sauce from scratch. So in the meantime, it's all going to be the cans. And it's looking like this 1 can might be enough here. Ooh, it's like California Pizza Kitchen. gonna be delicious. Alright, so it is as simple as that. Once the noodles boil, the meat was already cooked. Microwave the broccoli, so I didn't really have to cook that. I'm gonna scoop the rest of this sauce out of this can and plate it up for you and let you see what it looks like. There you have it, folks. It is all done, all mixed up. I've allowed it to sit a little so that all the flavors can release into all of the ingredients in the pan, in the pot. And now I cannot wait to eat this. It's gonna be delish. Let's get it plated up. Okay, there she blows. Not wasting any time on this one. So let me cut the chit chat and get to eating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video to see how quick and easy you can make dinner, especially if you make a bunch of chicken. Just cook a lot in advance and prepare to use it for extra dishes, and then that will reduce the preparation and cook time for additional dishes once you have the meat already, and you just throw things together. So have a great evening. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment and let me know if this looks good to you, and hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.